Good morning, sir.
So we will
Good morning,
continue
sir.
exercise 13.4. So कहाँ तक किए थे हमने हमने कहाँ तक किया था?
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 करना है।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9 was there is a sphere inside a cylinder. Okay. So what is given in right particular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. So radius of the sphere is r, and so directly to r. This is center r plus r to r. So height of the cylinder will be equal to h is equal to 2r, right? Height will be equal to 2r, and what we need to find, we need to find surface area of sphere. So first one is surface area of sphere is surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, right? Radius is r, it will be given as it is 4 pi r square. Then second one is third surface area of cylinder. Third surface area of cylinder will be equal to 2 pi r, but 2 pi r into h is equal to 2r here. So you can substitute h is equal to 2r. So this becomes 2 to the 4 pi r square. So current surface area of cylinder will be also 4 pi r square. And we need to find the ratio of n is 1 into. So surface area of sphere divided by third surface area of cylinder. So this is 4 pi r square, and this is also 4 pi r square. So this will be cancelled 1 is to 1. So 1 by 1 or 1 is to 1. So surface area of both the figures will be 4 pi r square, and their ratio will be 1 is to 1. Is it okay? Is it clear now? Raghav? Harit?
यस सर।
Okay. Please note down.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Beta. Now, the next exercise, that is 13.5. Exercise 13.5. Okay. So I am rubbing this. 13.5 size. First question is a matchbox 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, and 1.5 centimeter. Matchbox will be in the shape of Q1, right? The matchbox, and length is given how much? Length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2.5 centimeter, and height is 1.5 centimeter. Right? What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 match boxes? Right? So first of all, find out the volume of each match box. Volume of a match box. So volume of match box is what? Volume of cuboid is N into B into H. N into B into H. So L is 4 centimeter, B is 2.5 centimeter, H is 1.5. So 2.5 into 4 is 10. 10 into 1.5. That will be equal to 15 centimeter cube. And volume of a box which contains 12 match boxes, that will be multiplied by 12. So that is 12 into 15 centimeter cube. So that is 180 centimeter. ठीक है? ये जो छोटा सा मैच बॉक्स जब बड़े बॉक्स में रखेंगे 12 पीस, तो volume of one piece is 50 centimeter cube. So volume of 12 match boxes will be equal to 12 into 15 centimeter cube. That will be equal to 180 centimeter cube. Is that clear? This is one match box. Now, the next question is, if you model water tank 6 meter by 5 meter and 4.5 meter deep, right? How many liters of water can it hold when 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter? That is also very simple. Question number 2. Length of the water tank is given 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter, and height is 4.5 meter. So, volume of water in the tank will be equal to L into B into H. So L is 6 meter, B is 5 meter, and H is 4.5 meter. That will be equal to 6 5 30 into 4.5 meter cube. So 0, 4, 3 5 15, right? And 3 4 12 or 1 13, huh? And this is after 1 there is a decimal, that is meter cube. So that is 135 meter cube. ठीक है ना? 135 meter cube. But we need to find the volume in liter. So this will be multiplied by 135 into 1000 liter. Why? Since 1 meter cube is given 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So this will be equal to 1,35,000 liter. So volume of water in the tank will be equal to 1,35,000 liter. Clear है?
क्यों?
Done. Now, next question. That is, if your model vessel is 10-meter long, one model vessel is 10-meter long, means length of the model vessel is 10 meter and breadth it is 8 meter wide, and we need to find the height of this vessel, right? And volume is given. Volume is 380 cubic meter. Volume of that vessel is 380 meter cube. Volume of vessel is equal to 380 meter cube, right? So volume of vessel means vessel is in the form of cuboid. So what is the volume of cuboid? Tell me. Yes, Prishika, Kavya, tell me. Bhumika, what is the volume of cuboid? Yes, Harit, Raghav, Labdhi.
Breath into height.
What is the volume of cuboid?
L into B into H.
Very good. So volume of cuboid is L into B into H is equal to 380. It is given. Okay. Then length is equal to 10 meter, breadth is equal to 8 meter. We don't know height. That is 380. So therefore, H is equal to 380 by 10 into 8. So 0 cancel. 2 4 are 8 and 2 9s are. So 90 by 4. So 4 4 are 16. 4 4 are 16. 4 7 are 28. 4 5 are that is. So height of the vessel will be equal to 4.75 meters. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is the find the cost of digging the cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter wide, and 3 meter depth at the rate of rupees 31. So it is also very simple. Length, breadth, and height are given. Okay, length, breadth, and height are given. We need to find out the volume of the cuboidal pit at the rate of rupees 30 per meter square. So first of all, we will find out the volume of cuboidal pit, that is N into P into H. After getting the volume, or we will find out the cost. How we will find out the cost of digging? So you will multiply the volume by rupees 30. So you will get the answer. I hope you can do this. Is it okay or not? L, B and H are given. You will find out the volume, then multiply the volume by rupees 30, then you will get the cost of digging the cuboidal pit. Okay. Now I am going for the next question. That is question number 5. Question number 5 is the capacity of the cuboidal tank is 5,000 liter. Right. Find the breadth of the tank if its length is 2.5 meter. Length of the tank is 2.5 meter and breadth of the tank is like depth is given. You need to find the breadth. Depth means height. Height is given 10 meters. You need to find the breadth of the cuboidal tank, and volume of the tank is 50,000 liters. Volume of the cuboidal tank, volume of cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters. Right? That is 50,000 liter. 50,000 liter. So, since length and breadth are given in meter, so definitely this must be also converted into meter cube. Okay? Because liter and meter combination will be incorrect. Whenever we will try to find out anything in mensuration, so all the measurement or parameter must be in same unit. So ये मीटर में है, ये मीटर में है, this must be in meter. So it is better to convert meter into meter cube. Okay. The volume of the water tank is L into V into H is equal to 50,000 liter. And as you know that since 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000 liters, so therefore 1 liter will be equal to 1 upon 1,000 meter cube. 1,000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. Therefore 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1,000 meter cube. So convert this into meter cube, that is 50,000 divided by 1,000 meter cube. So 3 zeros are cancelled. And L is what? L is 2.5. Breadth we need to find. Height is 10 meter. Right? Is equal to 50. So 2.5 into 10 is what? 5. 2.5 into 10 is 25 into B is equal to 50. So B is equal to 50 by 25. That is 2 meters. So therefore breadth of the tank will be 2 meters. Clear now? Harit, Raghav, Krishika?
Yes, yes sir, clear.
Yes. Okay. Noted? Now, question number 6 is very interesting. A village having a population of 4,000. Question number 6. Question number 6. A village having the population of 4,000 and require 150 liter water per head per day. 1 person के लिए 150 liter water हमको जरूरत पड़ेगी, right? And it has a tank measuring 25 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. और जो यहाँ water tank लगा हुआ है उसकी length, breadth and height दी है. So for how many days will the water of this tank will last? So first of all, find out the volume of water in the tank. Volume of water in the tank. Volume of water that is in the shape of cuboid. So that will be equal to L into B into H. L is given how much? L is given 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. Right? So that will be equal to 15 6 are 90, 90 to the 180. That is 1800 meter cube. ठीक है ना? 1800 meter cube water is there in the tank. And what is the need of water per minute per day? Volume of water required, volume of water required for each person, that is how much? That is 150 liters. 150 liters. Right? 150 liters. Volume of water required for each person is 150 liters. And therefore, volume of water required for each person, volume of water required for 4,000 person per day, that will be equal to 4,000 into 150 liter. ठीक है? 4,000 into 150 लीटर. एक आदमी को 150 लीटर पानी कितने चाहिए? तो उस विलेज का पॉपुलेशन कितना है? विलेज का पॉपुलेशन है 4,000. Population of that village is how much? Population of village is 4,000. So what is the volume of required for 4,000 persons per day? That will be equal to 50 to the 60. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 liter. This quantity of water is required per day. And what is the capacity of the tank? That is 1800 meter cube. But this is in meter cube. This must be in meter cube. ये मेरे यहाँ है, ठीक है?
दीदी गेट बंद करो ना. दीदी
4,000 persons per day.
हाँ गेट बंद करो.
That is 6,000 liter. Now convert this into meter cube. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 1,000. Then this will be converted into meter cube. As you know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000 liter. So when you divide this, that is 600 meter cube. तो आपका वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 1800 लीटर क्यूब. और पर डे कंजम्पशन कितना है? 600. तो कितने दिन में पानी खत्म हो जाएगा? यू विल डिवाइड दिस बाय दिस. ठीक है? So number of days in which the volume which water of the tank will last एक तो इस टैंक का पानी कितने में खत्म हो जाएगा दैट विल बी टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ द टैंक इज 1800 लीटर 1800 मीटर क्यूब और 4000 पर्सन एक दिन में 600 मीटर क्यूब पानी यूज करता है नंबर ऑफ डेज विल बी इक्वल टू 1800 divided by 600 so 0 cancels 6 to the 18 that will be 3 days ठीक है तो यदि 150 लीटर पानी एक आदमी यूज करता है डेली और 4000 का ऑपरेशन है सो ये जो अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर इन द टैंक है दैट विल बी लास्ट इन 3 days इज इट क्लियर नाउ नो रिप्लाई राघव
Yes, sir. Clear.
at least say
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
please note down this is very good question very important also done now question number 7 question number 7 is a go down measures now tell me who is having the new book I think in this book this is very confusing yes Raghav tell me what is the measurement of the go down tell me
Sir, may I tell? One, sir, 40 meter length, 25 meter breadth, 15 meter height.
and
15 meter height.
yes
40, 25, 15.
40 into 25 into 15 na?
Sir, yes, sir.
Then find the maximum number of wooden carrots measuring 1.5 meter
1.5 into 1.25
yes
and 0.5.
yes okay so first of all we will find out the volume of go down ठीक है volume of udan would be equal to L into V into H that is given how much that is 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter you don't need to multiply this and volume of each carrot एक जो कैरेट है आपका that is in the form of cuboid also that is in the form of cuboid तो इस कैरेट का मेजरमेंट दिया है तो volume of each carat will be equal to volume of each carat is equal to volume of each carat is equal to That is L into B into H, that is 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter. So, how many such carats can be stored? How many such carats of this measurement can be stored in the godown? So, what we will do? What we will do? It is given that how many carats can be stored in the godown. So we'll just divide this volume by this volume, right? So therefore, number of crates can be stored in the godown. That will be equal to total volume, that is 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter divided by volume of each carat, that is 1.5 meter into 1.25 into 0.5. Just remove the decimal sign. So 40 into 25 into 15 into, after decimal, how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 upon 15 into 125 into 5. These decimals are removed when we have shifted 4 zeros on the numerator. Now solve this. 5 is 5 threes are 15, 3 fives are 15, 5 fives are 25, and 5 eights are 14, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are, right? Then 25 fours are 100, double zero. Then what left? Let it 8 fives are 40, that is equal to 8 into 5 into 400. So that is 4 plus 20, 20 into 8, 160. That is 16,000. Okay, na? So number of crates can be stored, that is 16,000 crates of this size will be stored in this godown. Right? So this is 16,000 crates. Please note down. आया समझ में आपको? भूमिका,
आ
लवदीप,
गया सर।
हरे, आगम, अरहम, आर्यन,
Yes sir. Yes sir.
आर्यन पारक, दिव्या, गार्विक, गौरव, कृषिका, कुशाल.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down. And please you complete your class work copy. After completion of this chapter, you have to send your notes in the form of PDF. Okay. So that I will check your copy. Noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question number 8. A solid cube of size 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. एक क्यूब है 12 सेंटीमीटर साइज का, उसको 8 इक्वल स्मॉल क्यूब्स में कट कर रहे हैं, राइट? देन व्हाट विल बी द साइड ऑफ द न्यू क्यूब एंड आल्सो फाइंड द रेशियो बिटवीन देयर सरफेस एरिया. दिस इज वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. ओके, so I am explaining it. So there are two cubes. One bigger cube is having the side 12 centimeter. This is the bigger cube. This one is the bigger cube. This is the bigger cube. Is having side A is equal to 8 centimeter. Right? इसके जो फेसेस की लेंथ है that is 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter, sorry, 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Now this bigger cube is divided into equal volume of 8 cubes, है ना? Equal volume of 8 cubes. अब इसको हम लोग छोटे-छोटे क्यूब में कन्वर्ट किए हैं, 8 पीस में. This is divided into 8 pieces. Equal volume of 8 pieces. Right? So what we will do? To find out the volume of the bigger cube, volume of bigger cube, that will be equal to volume of cube is A cube, right? So A cube, A is 12, so 12 into 12 into 12 centimeter cube. Now volume of each small cube, volume of each small cube will be equal to, this is divided into 8 parts, so this volume will be divided by 8. 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 8. So 4 2s are 8, 4 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 6 3s are 18 into 12. That is 216 centimeter cube, right? So volume of each small cube will be equal to 216 centimeter cube. Now you need to find the side of the length of the side of the new cube. So suppose volume of this new cube is x. Suppose length of this new cube is x. Suppose, right? Assume here, let the length of the new cube, length of the new cube is x centimeter.